Alt plus P plus V plus G. This is the video guys to learn to view shortcut in Excel Gridline. So there is the two shortcut. First one, Alt plus W plus V plus G, and another shortcut you can try Alt plus P plus V plus G. So I will show you Alt plus V and G. Again Alt plus P plus V and G. And shortcut another one, Alt W V G. Thanks for watching.